baby Meow. I'm actually the founder of Philippine-Japanese fashion community.
Hello, my name is Chen. I am a corporate executive. I work in the stock market industry.
Hello, I'm Chai, and I'm a corporate chick girly and a fitness enthusiast. Fairly recently, trying to go back, a social media junkie.
And today I have two bags. So for our What's in Your Bag video.
And now we're going to do what's in my bag. So
Today we're gonna do a What's in My Bag episode.
I'm baby Meow. I'm actually the founder of Philippine-Japanese fashion community. And today I have two bags. So for our What's in Your Bag video. One is from the brand Ship Puff. This is called the Heart Biscuit bag. And in my bag, you can currently see all of my babies. So my first baby is a cat stuffed toy. It's Dato Muning. And then the other one is a random one that I found in the okay, but because it's soft, so it's kind of steaming. So what's in my bag is some of my essential. I have my keys to the house, so many. I have my wallet. Sorry. Wallet, of course. And then I have my mints. Syempre, because today we had talk, so I need that minty fresh feeling. And lastly, of course, Sadie Care. So this is my first bag, which has all of my essentials. And then I have a second bag that I will show you today, which came from the brand Bokuta. So let's show the brand tag. That's it. It's a Bokuta ribbon bag. Size large, so they have small, medium, and large. This is the largest one in their series, and what's inside of it is some of my essential, which are, oh, I hope it opens up, my business cards, like that. And then I have my bullet lipsticks, and then of course Katinko. And then since it's a small bag, I only put in some of my makeup, which is my powder from Can Make, my Bullets lipstick, as I said, from MAC. And then, what else do I have? I have like rings here, but I did not manage to wear it. So it has two pockets. That's the first pocket. Then the next pocket here has my cell phone. Cell phone number 1 for talking, cell phone number 2 for recording. And lastly, my gloves. And that's it. Thank you so much. Bye.
Hello, my name is Yen. I am a corporate executive. I work in the stock market industry. And now we're going to do what's in my bag. So this is a Prada triangle calfskin yellow bag. This is pretty versatile. You can use it crossbody. Then you can also shorten the strap. You can use it as a shoulder bag. You can also replace it with a shorter like chain. You can use it as a handbag. And this can also be used as a clutch. I really love this bag. It's versatile and it's roomy. It can fit all of my essentials and more. So right now I am carrying my bag with my charms. These are the Labubus. This is have a seat, and this is exciting macaron. I was recently just recruited by my partners, my friends, to collect Labubus, and these are the first ones that I have right now. Who knows, maybe I'll get more, but I really love them. They're so cute. I put them inside the case so that they won't get dirty whenever. So we're going to open the Prada bag and check what's inside. So I have alcohol. I have throat spray. I bring this always with me. And I also have my Givenchy pouch. I also have, I always bring extra foldable tote bag in case I'm going to run errands or I'm going to buy something. You don't have to like use paper bags or plastic. It's pretty much like going green, and this is what I always bring with me. I have my Coach card holder. So I have my cards here, some cash, and I just well, it's a zip pocket. This is where I put my IDs. This is pretty useful every time I bring smaller bags. And I also have, of course, my phone. It's my bag. I have my Versace key holder. I have a small pouch for as an emergency kit. I have like paracetamol and this. I also have oil control. That's what I use. And I have hints, my lip balm, my face powder to freshen up. And I also have a small Versace perfume. Yeah, so that's what in my bag right now. So this is, as you can see, it's pretty roomy. You can fit all the essentials and some more. I really love this bag. I love the color. I love the leather. It's really smooth capsule. And I always pick this up every time I go out to run errands because it's easy to use it as a crossbody, shoulder bag, and it can also turn from day to night bag. You can use it as a clutch and as a backhanded bag whenever I use a shorter strap. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed our bag review. See you soon.
Hello, I'm Chai, and I'm a corporate chic girly and a fitness enthusiast. Fairly recently, trying to go back. A social media junkie, trying to collaborate with some brands also. I'm into fashion, skincare, lifestyle content. So I'm sharing a millennial lifestyle to you all in my TikTok and Instagram. Today, we're gonna do a What's in My Bag episode featuring my Kate Spade New York and M&M's Chocolates collaboration bag. This one is called the M&M's and Kate Spade New York Embellished 3D Crossbody Bag. It has the Kate Spade green color, which is very iconic. Actually, they patented that color, if I remember it correctly, in my research. And it's an M&M's chocolate in a bag. So I like how this one is really embellished, as it says in the name. It is shiny, shimmering with the M&M's peanut character in the zip closure. You can also remove the straps, but I won't because I like it as a crossbody bag. So let's see what I can fit inside this bag. Ta-da! You can see all the M&M's chocolates inside. At least the design. So let's put it all out because it's a little bit tiny for me. I like bigger bags, but this one is really cute. So I try to fit in everything that I can. I have my Louis Vuitton Romy card holder in bubble tea color. This is the lilac, lavender, purplish color, like very BTS, very army in me. So I got it. Let's put it there first. And then you have my hand cream. It's the La Roche-Posay Lipikar Serum hand cream that makes my hands smooth and younger looking. I really recommend this hand cream actually. And then you can see my nails over here. It is the recent trend. Actually, I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is a trend from late last year. It's called the cat eye gel nail trend. You can see it looks like a snow globe, and it's also shining, shimmering, splendid. This one is done by Nail Tropics Trinoma. So shout out to the Nail Tropics Trinoma team for this. Thank you for giving me the perfect hand spa, foot spa. I'll just not show you my feet anymore. They're also in a similar color, but not in the cat eye design, cat eye gel nail design anymore. So thank you again, Nail Tropics Trinoma. All right, so what else did I fit in my bag? I have my Estee Lauder powder. This one is called the Double Wear Sheer Fantasy Loose Powder in Translucent Soft Glow. I like the shade, the Translucent Soft Glow. It has a matte type of loose powder, but I like this one because it has some shimmery effect, like pearl, small pearl type coloring. Not really coloring, but you know, it gives that glowy, dewy effect. I also have another Estee Lauder powder. This one is the cushion makeup. So in case I would need to touch up, because I'm not wearing like foundation right now, but if I get a little bit dewy, a little bit oily as well, so maybe do some touch up over there, and then ended up with the loose powder. I have pH Care Feminine Wipes. It always pays to be clean, you know, and I'm trying to match it with my bag. It's colored green as well. What is this scent? I don't think it has a scent. Yeah. Doesn't say anything. But it's green. And then another matchy with my bag, my Pure Fresh Mentos mint candy. I think it is, yeah, it's spearmint flavor. This one has different flavors. So the green one is the spearmint. I just brought this one for today because it's green, but I have the other flavors also. I like it to spice up or just give that menthol feeling after eating. So every time after we dine, just give some fresh breath. And then I have just a local eyeliner, just in case I need to touch up as well. This one is from Caroline. Next, I have my lipstick. This one is from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I actually like the Jeffree Star brand, despite everything that we may hear about the Jeffree Star Cosmetics and all the controversies out there, because their makeup is really good. Actually, I have a lot of collection from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics velour liquid lipstick shades, or the range of colors that Jeffree Star has. This one is in the shade Rose Matter. It is just that soft pink color, and it's actually, how do I describe it? It's just a little bit sheer, and it dries up to like a mattified effect, but it's not thick. It's as if you're not wearing any lipstick at all. So that's why I love the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick range. I also have a BB cream, just in case I would need to touch up as well. Most of the time, I don't touch up anymore, but I use BB cream just so that I can also achieve that, how do you call it, like a balanced color. Because I have some rosacea sometimes and PIE, so you know, I gotta put some color in there. Plus the fact that this is also a skincare. It has SPF. This one is from the Misha brand. I've been using Misha actually since 2011, if I'm not mistaken. It's really a good brand. I have the shade 21. I have Beautiful Magnolia. So this is from where did I get this? Also from Estee Lauder. I love the scent Beautiful Magnolia because it has that just a little bit of a fresh scent, you know, like fresh off the day, start your day. And this is just a travel size bottle. I have the bigger one. I gave the lotion, the hand cream, to Sister Jack also because the scent is really good. So just some spritz for today in case I need to touch up. And then I have my car keys. I'm not gonna show what car it is anymore. And just some change, just in case I need something that needs cash, like let's say the parking fee. That's just it. So thank you for watching the What's in My Bag edition for today's video. Thank you for featuring me again, Sister Jack. I've been like a frequent guest already on your channel. So thank you for featuring me. Don't forget to follow me as well on my socials. I have TikTok and I have Instagram. It's at Chen in TikTok and Chen May Tai in Instagram. I feature luxe brands as well, shopping, lifestyle, some BPO, corporate content, some dancing and fitness, workout. Yeah, I was trying to think. It's already like late in the day, so my mind is a little bit it's over there. So thank you for watching. Thank you for featuring me again. And maybe I'm gonna be featured again in another vlog here in Sister Jack's channel. So don't forget to follow her. Click that subscribe button on her YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. And now, after featuring what's in my bag and revealing the contents of this small but very cute embellished 3D bag, let's unbox what I got from Kate Spade. Okay, so unboxing tayo na kasi may free gift tayo from Kate Spade and VIP vouchers. So, let's use them, which actually I already used. So, the first item I got is this one. Yan, kasi mahilig ako sa wristlet. Usually, mga sinusuksok natin sa mga bag natin. Tapos, ito natin ang very light. Ayan, multicolor. Ayan. And marami siyang pockets sa loob. Ayan. So, this one is called the Ava Wristlet. This is the original price. Actually, they have a variety of colors but I chose this one kasi wala pa akong ganitong pink na wristlet. I like wristlets kasi maraming items, small items that we can put in. Ayan. Very spacious and yun na nga, marami siyang pockets. Let's open this other item. This one, the design, the print, is actually featured in the popular Netflix show, Emily in Paris. And this is like the plaid gingham print style with the iconic Kate Spade green color. So I don't have the tote bag, but this is the pochette style. This is a wristlet type. And actually, I think this is called, the Sam Icon Pochette. There you go. Diba? I like it because you can actually convert it to a wristlet. So it's a small pouch kind of bag like this. Ta-da! I was initially thinking not to get it because I already have my M&M's collaboration bag. But this is a green color as well. But again, you can convert it to a wristlet like this. Ta-da! And this is what it looks like inside. We have the iconic Kate Spade logos, name plate, black style, lettering, styling, ganyan. So yun. So it can come like this. Can serve as a wallet. Then let's try to open this other one. This is my first Kate Spade sunglasses. Yeah, let's show what's inside. Yeah, and it comes off with this, I think it's what, a microfiber cloth for cleaning. It has the iconic Kate Spade polka dot design. And then, let's look at what it looks like. I like the color because it has like pinkish, burgundy, like the trending color right now, like brownish, mocha, whatever color. And it has a Kate Spade logo icon. There you go. So let's try to fit it. It has the iconic cat eye frame sunny slit as well. Alright, and lastly, let's look at what Kate Spade gave me as a free gift. This is their Kate Spade New York VIP welcome gift. It has the iconic taxi print as well, because Kate Spade New York is known for their yellow cabs. And we have What does it say? It says she is quick, curious, playful, and strong. Strong, independent women. Happy International Women's Month. Love the Kate Spade VIP gift. Thank you, Kate Spade New York. And I'm glad to be part of the Kate Spade New York VIP program like Sister Jack over here. So thank you, Kate Spade New York, Shangri-La Plaza Mall branch for your exclusive gifts and vouchers, the VIP vouchers that I was able to use for today's video. So if you want iconic bags or wristlets like this one, and this one, and sunnies like this one, and receive Kate Spade VIP gifts like this tote bag, go ahead, visit the Kate Spade Shangri-La Plaza branch, and don't forget to download the My SSI Life because you can get exclusive vouchers like 15%, maybe more, with regard to your membership. And you can also earn points. These points are usable in your next purchases at any SSI stores. So you guys can keep using your My SSI Life app so you can earn points, use your vouchers at any of the SSI stores, and receive exclusive gifts like this one. Receive exclusive vouchers for VIP members as well, like what I was able to use for these items. And you get to enjoy items like this cutie cat bag and this other bag. So both are cat designs. Kate Spade is very much known for their iconic novelty style bags, like this one too, their collaboration with M&M's. I like it. It's a little bit small, but it's very cute. So there you go. Thank you very much. Don't forget to follow me on my TikTok and Instagram account. Sister Jack is going to put all of them over here. And thank you, Sis Jack, for featuring me in your vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to Sister Jack's channel.